Welcome. Hold on. Welcome to our apartment. Come on inside. Welcome to me and Laura's wonderful house. This is me and my roommate Laura. And this is where we live, just the two of us in a 2-bedroom apartment. So I'm gonna give you a little walkthrough of my apartment, every little bit of it. This apartment is probably the best apartment I've ever lived in. It is the hangout spot of choice. All of our friends love to chill here. Got the most comfortable environment you could imagine, thanks to me and Laura's wonderful hospitality. And that's just the truth.
And that's just the truth.
So this is a 2-bed, 2-bath in Orange County, California. We've been living here since June of 2021, so we're here for junior year of college. And I think that we should start the tour right around here in the entranceway. Follow me. So as soon as you walk in, we've got the shoe rack and then the everyday shoes. Actually, those are all mine because I'm a little bit too lazy. I'm a bad roommate, I don't put it on the shelf. And then we've got our keychains. So this is my key space and this is Laura's keys. Then we've got our class schedule so we know where the other person is. Then we've got our Wi-Fi, we let everyone know. Don't ask questions. And then right over here we've got the supply closet. So this is where we put our tools, our knickknacks, our beach blankets and towels. And then if you turn right over here, we've got the kitchen. This is where all the magic goes down because me and Laura are some big foodies. We just love food. Oh my god. And so we're cooking all the time for our friends. And this is where we hang out with our friends at the wonderful kitchen table. This is Laura's seat. This is my seat. My dad found this for me on Facebook Marketplace for $50 for the table and 4 chairs. And now we gotta go behind you, Laura, to show what's on the wall. Now here's our productivity corner of the kitchen. We've got the big whiteboard for general notes, to-do lists, to cook, produce to eat in the fridge. That's a really important thing to write on the list. And our week. You're opening every day.
I'm opening every single day this week and I'm working for over half the week.
Leave a prayer for Laura down in the comments, guys. And then here is our fight night list. Me and Laura had this wonderful idea. What if our whole friend group had WrestleMania? What would the bracket look like? So we did 3 different versions. Here we have got the sock rule. That's where you have to yank the person's sock off and then you win. The second version is fight to the death. And then this was the stone edition. It's the 2 people are wrestling, but they're both given a giant stone. So how would that pan out? Our friend Molly won. Very wonderful corner we have here. Sometimes we'll write some little jokes on the board and see if our friends will notice when they come over.
You're so silly.
Here's our trash corner. Oh my god, that was awful.
You like
stuck my whole face. Well, anyways, here's the recycling area. And then here is the main bulk of our kitchen. So here we have the fridge. It's always fully stocked because me and Laura love to cook a little meal. Me and Laura use this shelf as the produce shelf. That way, every time we open the fridge, we're looking straight at it instead of it being hid away in those little drawers. And then we put our sauces and stuff in here.
Yeah.
Things that aren't gonna go bad. Then over here we have the pantry. This is Laura's shelf.
I put my unwrapped candy bar in there because I didn't
There's
think you were
one
gonna
bite. This is my shelf. And then this is the communal shelf, or just like the big bulky ingredients. And now let's keep on moving. Here we have the dishwasher. Plates, spices, microwave, cups, and we've got the stove here. This was so dirty last night. I cleaned it all very frantically before filming this, but it didn't even take me that long. And Laura, do you even know why it didn't take me that long?
Can I guess?
Is it because of these?
Oh my god!
Oh
What's
my
on the
god!
counter here?
This is actually my beautiful cleaning supplies from Blue Land. And could you even guess where this hand soap is from?
Oh my god, I cannot guess.
It actually says Blue Land right there.
No way.
So I used the multi-surface cleaner last night to clean the stove because it was so dirty. This got it cleaned up so quickly. Blue Land is just wonderful because they cut down your use of single-use plastics because you get this bottle and then you buy $2 tablets that dissolve in here. So you don't have to keep rebuying the same plastic bottles over and over again. You just reuse this one. You just fill up the bottle with some warm or hot water, drop in the tablet, and then once it's fully dissolved, you put the lid on. And you don't have to shake it or anything. It dissolves so easily. This is made with no ammonia, parabens. It's all vegan and cruelty-free. Some great ingredients that are safe to use around the house with me and Laura cooking for days.
I'll be eating the little crumbs off the stove. Hey, I'm licking the floors every
She's
single
licking
night.
the floors. I'm really loving these products. They've got a great variety. All of them smell so delicious. If you guys want to try Blue Land, you can click the link in my description for 20% off your first kit. Brilliant! So now moving on. Over here we've got our prize decorating area. Our shelf! We got the shelf from IKEA for like $15. For some reason we always got an onion on the shelf. And then our baking bowls and our colander, pots, pans, coffee supplies. Oh, we'll do an appliance tour up here. Very briefly. Oh, no, I smudged my lens. Right.
POV, Amber's washing your face. Amber's washing your face ASMR.
I don't know how to do ASMR. Anyways, we've got a variety of blenders. We use the NutriBullet, and then we have a food processor, making plenty of soups, plenty of hummus. Now, from the kitchen over here, we've got the living room. Oh yeah! So this part of the house is also filled with a bunch of little jokes. Me and Laura are some jokesters, let me tell you. This is my same couch from my last apartment. It's a futon. It flattens out into a bed, and so does that side. I'm just lazy. So when people want to stay the night, we've got an extra bed. This table right here was $15 on Facebook Marketplace. I love a dark green goth table. Here's our TV.
Yeah! Make them kiss.
Here's the Minecraft creepers. We got a Roku, so we play Spotify music on here all the time. This is our dolly cart, our dolly carton. For when we were moving in and stuff, we had a lot of big boxes, so I just bought that because it was way too hard to carry stuff. So now you get a little cart to put our boxes on. Pillows, blankets. This is my favorite creeper blanket that used to be in my old bedroom. This is my bear that's named Dog. And we've got some bunny ears here. And you might be wondering, now why are those bunny ears in here? It's actually because of this wonderful wall. Let me show you around. Everyone who has ever entered the house has to take a photo with the bunny ears and sign it. It goes mostly in chronological order. And this is my family. There's Andrew, and then there's Mad Andy. Mom and Ashley, me and Laura, woo woo woo, and all of our beautiful friends.
That's great news.
Great news. You haven't been in this video at all yet.
No. Hey guys.
Hey guys.
It's me, your favorite camera person.
I know.
My arms were like kind of shaking. I was like, God damn, when was the last time I fucking worked out?
Could we welcome the Alex Standers and the vlog into the house by giving them a bunny ear photo with our camera?
Oh my god, yeah, that's actually so
Oh my
cute.
God, yeah. POV, I'm putting the bunny ears on you.
POV, you were being welcomed into our home. 1, 2, 3.
Yay!
Stunning!
This kind of looks like a nightmare photo. Let's sign the... Wow, somehow I fit it perfectly.
That looks so good.
You guys got your own photo on the wall. Sorry, it actually looks so very creepy.
It's funny because your braids are poking out under it.
Yeah, that's like the grossest part. You guys are going in the family section of the wall. Because when you're here, your family. Olive Garden. I actually also made you guys some breadsticks if you want any. You're going right under Andrew. Awesome job, guys. You look so cute. Okay, moving on through the house. If you follow us this way. Wait, guys. Pause. I forgot to point out one of the funniest parts of our house. Do you see that little blue marker on the wall right there? Me and Laura put that up, and that is our 6-foot marker. So when any boy comes in our house, we can tell if they're lying about their height because we got the little marker on the wall. Obviously, height doesn't matter. It's just really funny to us. Anyways, if you follow us this way, it leads into this hallway which goes into the bedrooms. This is Laura's room, and on her door she has a picture of Noah and the bunny ears because one time we did a school project, we had to take pictures of Noah, I had to print them, and I decided it would be so fun if we just hung them up. And then this door is Laura's bathroom.
I don't know if it looks good right now. Just let's see. Oh my god, hey. It actually doesn't look too bad. There's the toilet. And then my things. And then my bowl for my rings. Focus.
My things and my bowl for my rings. My things and my bowl for my rings. Laura has a bathtub and a beautiful curtain.
And I put like a eucalyptus in that the other day. Oh my god, there's a picture of me and Amber in here.
Well, this is Laura's bathroom.
Yeah! Speaking of Laura's rooms, right across my bathroom is my room with Noah's picture on it. Oh my god, hey King. This is my room.
Woo!
Wow.
Here's a tour of all of Laura's posters. Woo!
And this is my bed. I mean, there's not much to say. It's definitely a bed. And these are my things. My desk is like kind of messy right now, so that's my bed. And there's like a day-old matcha on there. Do not, don't look.
Laura's got the walk-in closet.
I do have a walk-in closet. All my totes.
I think it's quite nice.
It's fine. Oh, speaking of nice, let's go to Amber's room.
Yeah. Let's hope it looks okay in there. Welcome inside. Woo! Here's my wonderful bedroom. Where do I even begin? Here's my bed. Wonderful queen-size bed.
Oh my god, it's me.
Big mirror closet. This blanket Ashley gave me for my birthday. I'm using it because I'm a nice sister. These are my t-shirt jersey duvet covers from Pottery Barn Teen. A variety of pillows. This big tapestry. How awkward, I have a tapestry. This is a Smashing Pumpkins cover. Melancholy and Infinite Sadness, one of my favorite albums. And then right over here I have some more posters of some of my favorite things. More Smashing Pumpkins. The Sundays. Deftones. Art that I like. This is my bedside table filled with my glorious knickknacks. Vaseline Cocoa Butter, my lip balm of choice. Thrifted this little piggy bank. Received this little shark from a wonderful friend of mine. A fake plant. Anyways, this is my L-shaped desk. Very wonderful, lots of space. Have I ever used it to actually work? Not even once. If I can tag some of the big products that I've used to decorate my house in the description, I will. So this is my desk I got from Amazon. This chair I also got from Amazon. My technology, some posters I never hung up, my planner. One of my favorite posters, Cruisin' Bears. It's spelled wrong. I got it on eBay. I have no idea what it's from, but I just love how it looks. This is my octopus that Ashley got me for my birthday. Some very dried up flowers from my secret admirer. Bunch of other knickknacks. None of them are really too important. Here in these carts, instead of buying a dresser like I should, I just keep buying these 3-tiered carts, and they're filled with my technology tote bags. Looks kind of terrible. I should probably just buy a dresser, but it's fine. Stop yelling at me. It looks fine. We're gonna head over to my closet. Great variety of clothes because I have to dress for SoCal weather here, and then when I go home I have New York weather. Kind of a nightmare. So here we've got jackets, dresses, sweaters, long sleeve, t-shirt, tank tops.
The abyss.
The abyss. And then up here I've got all of my sweatshirts. In that little bin I've got my bathing suits. This is my step stool to reach everything. I've got these little mini dressers that hold almost nothing. Of course, both of the doors are mirrors. Hey! This side opens, and this is my hidden side that never opens. I've got all my pants that hang here. I hate these hangers. I wish I just used regular hangers to hang my pants, because these ones are falling off all the time. These are my shoes I never wear. My laundry hamper. This is my bedding from freshman year when I had a twin size bed. So I'm hoping if Andrew ever comes down to SoCal for college, I'll just give him my memory foam mattress stuff. But those are the essentials in my closet. Also, this bed is the comfiest bed I've ever slept in.
Vouch.
Whatever brand of memory foam topper that I got on Amazon is so soft, but this bed is so much comfier than my bed at home in New York because this one has a really squishy memory foam topper. What did I just say? Memory foam topper. Anyways, guys, moving on. This wall across from my bed is very empty. I should have a big dresser here, but I'm too lazy to buy one. Then following over here, I have got the master room, so it is connected to my bathroom and our washer dryer. I've got a big counter in here. So these are my jewelry and other things. This is my skincare. I only use Curology. And then I got the things to make the bathroom smell better for when people take a big fat poopy. This is my toilet. So I do plenty of great things on there. And then here is my shower. So unlike Laura, I just have a standing shower. So I'm gonna turn on the water. Just kidding. Why did I do that to myself? Anyways, I bought this little shelf so that I could store more things in here. Oh, I'm stepping in water on my socks. This is my body wash, Function Beauty. Shampoo and conditioner, Function Beauty. The Body Shop face wash. And a Korean essential, the little scrubber thing. And now we're gonna mosey on out of here. And that's about it for my bathroom. So that's my bedroom. I love this room so much. I've never felt more comfortable in an apartment. Thanks to Laura, my wonderful roommate. Aww. Literally, this apartment is quite a dream come true, literally. Because we've been friends since freshman year, and now we're finally living in an apartment. Most of the decor things in this house are kind of a meme. We've got plenty of creeper imagery, plenty of bunny ear imagery, plenty of WrestleMania brackets. It's just who we are. Thank you so much, Laura, for helping me film this video.
Oh, thank you so much, Amber, for being my roommate.
Oh, thank you very much.
Pleasure being business.
Thanks everyone for watching. Hope you guys have a wonderful rest of your day, and we'll see you guys soon. Peace.